Okay, we got Great Nature versus House of Amon.
Why?
Javon, sorry guys. Javon is playing Great Nature, and Misha is playing House of Amon.
I'm grade locked.
Some of it is Jap, by the way.
Guard. Ow, power drop.
An extreme shaky camera because I don't know what a tripod is.
Dimension creeper, soul die.
Yo, he just did that.
More grade ones. Beat him up. That's an Amon, by the way.
I can't even tell from here.
It's a monkey scientist room.
Smooth. I should be standing up for this. Gives a better shot.
No guard. Power, heal. Give me a grade 2. Oh my goodness.
Well, Great Nature's wins.
Right, dimension
For
creeper.
once in life.
I'll have the soul charge twice. No, I soul charge a grade 2. What to do? Beat him up. Yeah.
Finally gets that grade 2.
Too late. Too late.
Yo, man, you're at 1 damage. It's never too late. Oh, wait, Leopold. Never mind.
What the heck? No. No.
17 Vanguard for that.
Guard. No. On guard.
Oh, yeah, the reason it's so noisy is we're in the middle of BCC right now. In the food court, so yeah, it's gonna be noisy. Got a problem with the noise? That sucks. Finally reaches grade 2 like a boss.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ability active. Come on. Soul charge 2. Soul blast. Soul charge 2.
Well, that's soul charging and soul blasting. It's beautiful.
One pass. It's a 12K attacker.
Not when he's the back
Wow,
there.
fine. 17. It's already over, Matthew. It's already over.
4,000 scrap stick. 17 Vanguard.
No guard.
GG, GG.
You got a perfect guard too.
Why do I feel like I'm only taking one video today? Oh, get that heal. You're gonna heal all day, man.
Perfect guard, stand drop. What am I doing? Ride him on.
Amon. Quotes. There's gonna be quotes around the name. Amon deck.
Yeah. I only run 2 Amon, 1 reverse.
Yo, I have 2 more if you want them.
Crit, power, second, draw, power.
Nothing like that. Double trigger to bring it back into the game. Yo, swap out for real Amon.
Abilities, in, draw. Beat him up, 20.
20.
Beat him up, 17. I already know how it really works.
Them bisons.
17 Vanguard.
Them binoculars.
10. Guard.
Let him face back. 1.
Power to Vanguard. Hold on,
Damn, those
guard.
triggers.
Draw.
Plus 2.
How's deal? Soul charge 2. Hi, counter blast into soul, retire 1.
He sent an Amon into Soul for people who don't watch too well.
Counter blast. One more time.
And I'm pretty sure that was the 5th element.
1, 2, 3, 4. You have a perfect guard in your hand. 1, 2, 3.
And then I'm going to use it. Keep counting, boy.
25.
It's 15 cards in Soul. That's more than my Reggie ever fucking hit. For some reason, I suck with Reggie.
I'm almost decked out too. Real.
Game by deck out. That's what I'm praying for.
17 Vanguard. 17. I'm gonna lose now.
Dem guards.
I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna lose. I don't have enough guard. 10.
21 Vanguard 4,000 here.
No guard. Don't crit me. Oh, you crit me. Oh.
Oh, that's game. Great Nature wins.
What do you mean,
Amon.
Great Nature? I was great block.